Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a sealed and exceptionally secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all taking out the job of middle people, a consequence of hard and faultless work. The outline of torrential slide. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, basically putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations principally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to back. Torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other trend-setting innovation. A vital distinction between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration instrument. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the inborn potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will quite often be the most appealing digital money, fundamentally for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital currency, arising as an incredibly unique and lively power. Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly in light of the fact that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The digital currency value expectation is dependent upon the presentation of the particular symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future presentation of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The ongoing cost of Avax is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $381,292,309, with a circling supply of 294,713,816.16 Avax on the lookout. Avax cryptographic money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide figure is absolutely subject to digital money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value figure to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has gone the distance, so it is essential to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before long. In any case, carry out your own groundwork to check your gamble resistance. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and greatest cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 individually, as per our Avax cost forecast 2022 and specialized investigation. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectations November 2022. The Avax cost conjecture organized by our specialists proposes that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the greatest worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our Avax cost forecasts uncover that the coin will have a base, greatest, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50. Separately, torrential slide value forecast 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost prediction, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, There are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX Cost Forecast 2025. While the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and greatest cost of $80 and $85 individually. For the year 2026, the unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost expectations. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the torrential slide cryptographic money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96. Torrential Slide Crypto Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111 and $141 individually. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most minimal and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 individually. AVAX Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost estimate shows that the expected high of the coin might be $185, with a likely low of $162 in the crypto market. The point-by-point torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential Slide Value Forecast. Market Feeling. The market opinions administer cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make through and through. In view of a VAX cost figure, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be downgraded from here on out. The torrential slide cost expectation expect combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher feeling. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. As per our torrential slide cost forecasts, the future cost could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following